Hello, good evening, my dear friends. Today I'm going to start the Photoshop. First of all, when you click the Photoshop icon, then this will appear. First time, if I want to create an account, new account, I have to click here on the create new. Okay, I'm clicking here. Then this will appear here: recent, saved, photo, print, art and illustration, wave, mobile, film, video. I will go here or here, whatever I can. If I click here print, then it will appear here print item. If I click here, then here will show my previous work if I did anything. This is photo area. Okay, first of all I click here recent, and I will place here a name, class 1. I will write here class 1. This is width, that means your document width. Okay, I'm writing here 2000 and height 1500. This is as a test. Okay, and this is unit 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. It's a pixel unit, it's inches, centimeters, millimeters, point, picas. This is common. Pixels works with Photoshop and it's very common. We will select first this one, and this is your placement, your orientation, you straight or landscape, which one? Okay, fine, this is default. I'm clicking here, and resolution. If I made this file for only view, not for print, then I will place here 72 resolution. 72 resolution means one dot equal to how many bits of colors. If I place one dot, or if I hit the notebook with pen, there will be 72 resolutions of color. Color mode: bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK color, lab color. One by one I will explain. These are all everything. Now just we will learn about RGB. Okay, fine, I will click here. Bit 8. There is three system of bit: 8-bit, 16-bit, 13-bit. When I will discuss about color resolution, color mode or color details, then I will explain why should I take 8-bit, 16-bit or 32-bit, or why I will take only 8-bit. Okay, background color, that means when we will take the document background will be white, black, or any colorful or transparent or custom. If I want to make my own, then I will place here only white. Color profile, it's a default, I will place it here, and I don't need anything else. Everything is ready. Now I will click here create. It will take some moment. Yep, here comes the document. This is your document or canvas. We will say canvas. You will see there are several free area. We will cover it, but how? Press Ctrl 0 from keyboard, Ctrl and 0. It will fit on screen. This is the keyboard shortcut to become a document, to hold a document, to hold a canvas and fit on screen. Okay, now we will discuss about the interface details. This is called menu bar. These are all menu. This is called toolbar. Tool means we will paint, we will design, we will do maximum work on here. Then we will use these are tools from toolbars. That's why it's called toolbar. Now if you click here, you will see some changes here. If I click here, you will see changes here. This is called option bar. Okay, I repeat again, this is menu bar, this is toolbar, and this is option bar. Option from these are tools. You will see every tool has his own drop down menu. If I click here, it will appear many extra tools or sub tools. That's why each and every sub tools had separate parts, and this will appear in the option bar. Okay, now we will see here, this is called floating area. Floating area. Floating means if I click and drag here, it will come here and it will float. That's why it will call, it's calling floating area. Okay, if I click it here and drag and place here, it will place. Moreover, you will drag and place here, it will place here. Okay, this is move tool, this is selection tool, this is also selection tool. I will take all tool one by one. Selection tool, there are several tools. I will make these are all tools of use. Okay, Photoshop works with layer. That means if you want to do any designs, then definitely you have to take a layer. Every shape, every work, before every work you have to take a layer. This is layer area. If you don't find the layer here, it may happen somehow or sometimes you will not see the layer function here. Just go to window, you will find here the layer, or keyboard shortcut F7. The layer will come here, drag it and hold it here, the layer function will appear here. Okay, if you want to place any color here, then first you have to take a layer. This is plus area, just click here, a layer will appear here. Now if you want to place color, this is color section, this is called foreground color, this is called background color. If you want to place any color, first time I will take any first rectangle marquee tool, rectangle marquee tool. Okay, I will drag it here. Now I will place color. How I will place? Click here, take paint bucket tool and click here. Okay, you can see the color already placed here. Now you will see a selection is blinking here. We have to remove it. Take the move tool button, keyboard shortcut Control D, Control D. The selection is disabled now. You can place it anywhere. If I don't take any layer, then what is happening? Okay, for a recognition I am deleted this layer, I am deleting this. Photoshop asking me, do I want to delete the layer? Yes. Now this is the main document, it's locked. Okay, again I am taking the rectangle marquee tool and drag here. Now if I place color, keyboard shortcut Control D, I'm taking move tool. Okay, if I drag it here, it's not working because of I didn't take any layer. The color has placed on the main ground or main canvas. That's why I have to take layer before working on document. If I work 1000 times, then definitely I have to take 1000 layers. Okay, if I want to go back, then I have to do Control Z, again Control Z. Okay, now this is out of layer, the selection is here, then I am taking a layer again. Now I place the color. Okay, paint bucket tool, I'll click here, move tool select, keyboard shortcut Control D. Now you will see I can move it. That's why I have to take layer before doing or before placing any color or doing any work. I think you are going to be clear. If I do another work, then definitely I will take another layer. Take the ellipse tool, drag it here. Okay, I change the color. If I don't change, it will not harm. Okay, I'm not changing color. Paint bucket tool, click here, Ctrl D, deselect. Now select move tool, click here. Yep, you can see if I click here, this layer select, because this is for this. If I click here, this layer selected because this icon for this. That's why layer is very much important. We are working from many years. That's why if we have work here, then definitely we have to take many layers. 1000 works, 1000 layers. Remember it all the time. Now keyboard shortcut, I will write down the keyboard shortcuts. That means selection tool. If I take selection tool, this selection removing keyboard shortcut. Okay, I'm writing down. It's taking some time. Remember one thing, Photoshop is the mother software of graphic design. Graphic design is an ocean. If you want to start the total graphic design, definitely you have to learn first Photoshop, then Illustrator, then one by one split item. Split item means if you want to do animation, then there is a large chapter of After Effects for total animation, and we will do some animation using Photoshop, that is timeline works. Okay, it's working. You will work using Photoshop app design, UI design, logo works for logo. We will design logo using Illustrator. And Photoshop, we will use Photoshop for image retouch. We will photo edit, image retouch, UI design, app design. These are all for Photoshops. Okay, text document. If I am not seeing text here, this is text area. Control plus D equal to deselect. If I want to copy, just Control J. If I drag it, you will see its copy. I'm taking again type tool and I will select the total text. Control A. Selected. Just backspace or delete. It's deleted. Now I will write new layer keyboard shortcut. Control plus Shift plus N equal to new layer. Sorry. Okay, thank you so much. Keep eyes for the next video. Till then, bye bye.